Welcome to Shopify Meetup Central and Eastern Europe. We at Vevol Media couldn't be more proud of what the team did here. It's a great event to be at. We have agencies, we have brands, we have app vendors all gathering in Bucharest today.
Fantastic experience being here at the Shopify Meetup in Bucharest today. We've met so many incredible people. The organization from Vevol Media and Ecommerce today has been absolutely amazing. We're so excited to see the Shopify community expand and grow in the CEE region. We are ready and we're so excited to keep growing with you.
Hope to see you here next year if you're not here in the room today. But yeah, thank you very much and it's such a privilege to have you here, guys.
Fragmentation isn't the result of bad decisions. It's the result of decisions that were never made in relationship to each other.
Amazing. Keep doing this good stuff. Happy to see you next year.
Shopify!